Welcome to Balboa Park, San Diego's cultural heartbeat. With over 1,200 acres of gardens, museums, and historical architecture, this is one of the most beautiful urban parks in the world. Whether you are here for the history, the arts, or just a peaceful stroll, there's something for everybody. Let's go.
We are on the way.
Balboa Park was established in 1868, but it truly gained worldwide attention in 1915 during the Panama, California Exposition. The Spanish colonial revival architecture you see today was designed to impress visitors, and trust me, it still does. This is El Prado, the park's main walkway. It's lined with some of the most famous museums in the city, including the San Diego Museum of Arts, the Museum of Us, and the Natural History Museum. If you love culture and history, this is your spot. The San Diego Museum of Art houses an impressive collection from Spanish old masters to contemporary pieces. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just a casual visitor, it's worth a stop. Now, if nature is more your thing, Balboa Park has a dozen gardens to explore. This is the Desert Garden, home to unique and exotic succulents, and just across the way you'll find the Rose Garden with over 1,500 different roses in bloom throughout the year. One of the coolest hidden gems here is the Spreckles Organ Pavilion. It houses one of the world's largest outdoor pipe organs, and they have free concerts every Sunday. Imagine listening to live music under the San Diego sunshine. It's an experience you won't forget. And of course, no trip to Balboa Park is complete without mentioning the world-famous San Diego Zoo. With over 1,200 animals, it's one of the best zoos in the world. Even if you're not visiting the zoo today, the park itself has plenty of wildlife, from koi fish in the Japanese Friendship Garden to wild parrots flying overhead. Balboa Park isn't just a daytime destination. As the sun sets, the park takes on a whole new vibe. The historic buildings light up, and you can grab a bite at the Prado or just enjoy a peaceful evening atmosphere. So whether you're here for the museums, the gardens, or just a relaxing walk, Balboa Park is a must visit in San Diego. If you've been here before, let me know in the comments what's your favourite part of the park. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.